ile kwa mayai. Hiyo ingine na hiyo sasa hiyo itafanya ile hata ikipiga. Hii ndio ilikuwa hapa.
I feel for these chicks. They are all alone. They are 2 days old. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. And today, guys, I will say I'm a bit disappointed, and not so disappointed because there are still some chicks yet to hatch, and then there are those that have already hatched. But I want to reveal to you today the greatest mistake of all time that we have done, but we have learned in the process. So today, guys, I want to show you what I did with my 2 hens. And then mistake number 1 that I did, I put 2 hens that were looking similar, very close to one another, to incubate for 21 days. Now, one of them has hatched half its eggs, and it has left the eggs and gone to warm the chicks. The other one has kept into the other one's remaining eggs, and it is continuing to incubate. Now, they are fighting over the same nest or incubation box. And guys, this is the worst mistake we have done. Some eggs we have found they are just spoiled. We have had to remove some eggshells of course, the ones that have hatched. This one has 7 chicks. I'm not even sure if this is the rightful mother, but it looks the rightful mother because it is warm to the chicks, and it is trying to keep them warm. The other one is beating these chicks because I think it doesn't recognize them. So guys, we anticipated to have about 21 chicks from this incubation process, but we only have 7. So the other one is still incubating. Okay, I'm hoping in 2 days time it will hatch, that one over there. I'm giving it about 2 days, this one, before I could dispose of the eggs and just consider it a loss. So we have learned that we should not put the hens together. If it is possible, separate them very, very far from each other. Make sure you have a distinct place for each of the birds, because where we have seen dust. So at some point, the one that is still incubating is coming to claim these chicks, and it is being beaten. So it is very, very funny. I've given the hen some food because I know the whole day it has been hungry. Then we will go ahead and give it some water. But guys, I don't know. This mistake that I have done, I don't even understand. It is so unfortunate. So, and this one is very hostile. I think the most hostile one is the one that has hatched because it is protecting its chicks. I believe maybe this is the real mother. This is like the story of Solomon. One of them said, no, don't hurt the baby, just take the baby. And we knew that was the mother. So this one seems to be the mother because she looks very, very broody. She wants to take care of her own. So the one that is very close to the chicks is the real mom. Wait, sugar. Haya. Sasa ni drama wiki ya Mungu. Ni drama ni kama video.
You notice wakati inaanza kupiga ni kifaranga. So that's we have learned something there.
Kama zinaanza. Picha inatoka vizuri. Picha ya Ariel.
Kamoja kanaenda katika keupe.
Ziko ngapi? 6. Sasa dibiki unaweza dibiki later.
Nishafanya. Nishazitoa.
Nizitoa na sijaona.
Kamoja kanaficha. Tunaona yanatokea.
Hii ndio ilikuwa inapiga ile ingine.
Acha wakule.
Picha zake zinatoka poa. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is your girl Dotty, and guys, I feel so disappointed about this outcome of my incubation process. I was warned at some point and I didn't take it seriously, but the good thing is that I am learning on the job. So as you can see, the newborn babies are down here. They are feeling very cold, very cold. They're feeling very cold, while two hens are fighting for the same incubation setup. So what I did, the mistake I did, was to put these incubation boxes, this one and that one, together. And so one of the birds has already hatched its chicks, and the other one is, they look very same. So it's like the other one's chicks have not hatched yet. So they are fighting over the eggs, while one of them has hatched some chicks already. So it is very tricky. Very tricky. So one of the birds already hatched part of the eggs, and some were remaining. and so it is confused if it is the one that is yet to hatch and the other one has not hatched yet completely. So guys, I'm feeling like I failed on this one, but we thank God we have seven already, 7 chicks already down there. So what I'm going to do is to separate these hens. I can see the mother is that one. He had more eggs, and this one has not hatched yet, so I'm going to leave it here. So the very mistake that you have to avoid is to put the incubation boxes together, because already it has costed me. Now I have to separate these hens and give one of it and leave the other one to continue hatching. I think in 2 days time, if they don't hatch, I will count it as a loss, and I'll count the 7 out of around 20 eggs. We are learning, and we learn every day, and we appreciate the lessons that this process brings us. The other bird that hatched under the iron sheets, under the stones outside, already the chicken are big, and as you can see in the next slide, you will see them big and walking around outside. Alafu tuiweke vifaranga. Haya, sawa. Itoe tu. Pigane wengine. Alafu tulete hizo vifaranga sasa.
Tutasikia kama zinakuja kwanza.
Mstajua kweli. Utapata nafasi pale pa kuingia. Utaingia, acha kanyaga na socks huko. Wao ndio watakuwa viatu sisi. Yenye nafanya mtu ni gani ni? Basi ndio imeangua. Ndio. Una vile vifaranga utateseka huko chini. Ukikuona ukishika vifaranga zako. Utaanza kuingia. But you can carry them zingie ndani. Ama tutoe. Utaingia.
Hizi zinaingia tu vizuri. Sifaa tu hivi.
Okay, ingine. Kumaanisha hizo ni vifaranga zake. Iweke hizi zisaidie. Simani inazisaidia. Ngoja ikuume. Tena zinataka kuingia ndani. Wewe. Ziko 7.
Kuna moja huko.
Ndio kuchukua.
Si moja hata.
Zinafaa kuwa 7. Zimekufa baridi. Let me remove your head. Sinaweza toboa hivyo kidogo.
Hata zinaanza kuingia chini. Zishaanza.
Zinasikia baridi. Zimetoka zote, angalia chini. So temporarily we have separated them using this makeshift home, and we have left the one that had not hatched over there.